Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Verizon cordless telephone. It's a model number E9020, and this is Victor's equipment from PA. Victor has a note with this unit. He really likes this cordless telephone, and these were very good telephones. And he has an issue with the talk button and the number 1 button. And since this is the initial checkout, we've troubleshooted this unit a little bit, and we found that the numbers actually really don't want to dial at the top part of the keypad. We want to go ahead and show you the handset unit. So it is a very cool cordless telephone. Now we're going to try to activate the talk button, and that does not register. So we're going to use the speakerphone button. We want to dial a 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5, 6 finally registered, 7, 8, 9, star, 0, pound, and we'll try the 9 again, 8, 7, 6 finally registered, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to go ahead and hang up. Now, the cordless telephone does a self-check, and it will activate the analyzer when the light will go out also after that final check. Once you hang the unit up, they always check themselves, and so if you see the analyzer activate, it will be the cordless telephone. It just did, and now the light has went off. So now what we want to do is we want to troubleshoot the handset, and we're going to go ahead and take a short break, and we'll get into the handset. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool Verizon cordless telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing this Verizon cordless telephone, and we've gained access into the handset. And I want to go ahead and show you what that looks like on the inside. If you've never seen one of these handsets apart, we have our speaker for our speakerphone, our main PC board, our keypad, that would be our speaker for the cordless phone, and our main PC board with our conductive material, and then our conductive material on our pad for our keypad. So that gives you a look at the inside of the unit. Now, just because it does not look dirty does not mean that it isn't dirty. And a lot of times something could be spilled into the unit, or a lot of times telephones are located in the kitchen, and if you cook a lot or near the kitchen, and when you cook, the steam and the condensation in the atmosphere and in the air can actually get into telephones, and it seems to want to collect up around the keypad area. It's not always as simple as opening the unit up and just cleaning the keypad and the dialing board, because you have to be careful of what chemicals you use, and you have to troubleshoot your conductive material and make sure it's actually still conductive. We're going to finish this work up. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this really cool Verizon cordless telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing this Verizon cordless telephone, and we've cleaned our main PC board where our conductive material is for the keypad, and we also cleaned our keypad, and now what we want to do is check our conductive material on the back of the keypad, and we've already troubleshooted that a little bit, and we know that there is some issues with some of the buttons, and they do make some products that are specifically for painting on a conductive material, and they say it's for keypads, but we do not use that because it will not stick to the material very well that the keypad is made out of, probably a silicone type material, and you have movement. So when you paint the conductive material on, it does not last. That's not too bad for a stationary PC board, but when it comes to a keypad, it just doesn't work out well. And so we do not use those products for that type of situation when it comes to a keypad. We have a different way that we handle that repair for the keypad. Now what we want to do is go ahead and show you the keypad, and we know we had some issues with the talk button, and we're finding issues with our review button, and it says directory and calls, and it's more up to the top part of the keypad, and it seems like you would have to hit the buttons more than one time even after the unit is cleaned. So what we want to do is we want to test our talk button, and that would be located right here, and as you can see, the conductive material is very small points because in between those points are an LED that's on the board that shines through and lights the keypad. So you're not working with very much room, and it may not even pick it up on the video when I'm testing our conductive material. Now, they embed the conductive material into the material that the keypad is made out of, and once they're dirty or something is spilled on it, it can eat away at that conductive material, and you actually have to press too hard to get a reading. Now we want to turn our meter on, and we want to make sure that we're working, and I want to go ahead and show that some of these conductive area pads on the keypad do not have any continuity. Now we're going to get down further into the keypad, and all you should have to do is just lightly touch it. You shouldn't have to press the probes into the material. We're getting pretty decent readings further down the keypad, but when we start working our way up, you got to press a little harder. So there is some issues that we need to repair on our conductive material for the keypad, and we're going to go ahead and finish that work. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair of this Verizon cordless telephone. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this Verizon cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now we're going to use the analyzer to send a ring cycle, and this base will recognize that there is no caller ID being sent from the analyzer, and after the first ring it will say no caller ID. So what we want to do is go ahead and start our ring cycle. We're going to let that go a few times.
No caller ID.
I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We're going to hang our unit up. We're going to access the speakerphone. We're going to hit redial. The analyzer will end in a 2. I'm going to hit the hold button. That's going to cause the talk button to flash because we're on hold. We'll take the hold off. And then now what we want to do is hang up. We're going to access the line one more time. Dial our numbers again. I'm going to end in a 2. I'm going to hang up. Access the speakerphone. Hit flash. We want to hit the menu button. I'm not sure that the video will pick this up, but we've accessed the menu now. We can take that away. So now that we know that this unit is dialing the numbers out and our functions are working, we can go ahead and try the review. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We'll make that call.
Today is Tuesday, January 10th. The current time, 10:25 p.m. and the temperature, 45 degrees.
We can hit flash, dial tone. We'll turn it down a little bit. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool Verizon cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Victor and he can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. Now this is a very sought after model and it was a really good telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.